What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for a little Infinity Falls construction update. And of course, we're going to check out Electric Ocean. Let's head inside and see what's going on. Literally no way to get through security or through the front gate, and we're on our way. And it is amazingly hot right now. I mean, we're talking like heat index of 100 and something. That's why they have these signs out. And guess what? Electric Ocean is going on, so that means SeaWorld is open until 9:30 every single night now. Kraken Unleashed, and yes, they are currently doing the VR on it, and guess what? It has a 100-minute wait. Ouch. Hello, Sky Tower, and let's see if you're open today. Yes, 10 minutes, and we can see the capsule up at the very top. And guess what? They're still doing the $2 admission right now, and it's not the $3 one that we saw on the weekend.
Did you? Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class aquarium collections. Believe it or not, you can find some amazing aquariums in the gift shop on Journey to Atlantis. Top speed.
Alrighty guys, so let's take a look at Infinity Falls, and first thing that I note, well, there is no water over here anymore. It's all gone. But everything looks like it's wrapping up. Remember, we just did a construction tour, so we had a chance to see everything pretty much up close.
Miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open. For more information, any of the guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, just stop by the guest information.
That's a lot of new landscaping that's been put in.
SeaWorld entrance gates. Interaction is a big part of the SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences, Sharks Underwater Grill.
Where are we going, JJ? Go in the aisle.
What do you do when the heat index is over 100 degrees? Well, you come to the Flamecraft Bar and you get alcohol. And guess what? We even have live music going on over here. We're just waiting on some drinks. Yes, it's glorious. Glorious nectar. Hey, bartender, beer me. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am feeling a ride on Mako, especially when there is only a 5-minute wait. Let's go. Now, this is pretty cool. With such high humidity in the air, the misters are making it almost like fog. I wish Mako was like this all the time. Yeah, this is really cool. Again, almost looks like a fog in here. And it feels like we're underwater in here. Let's see just how bad the wait is. How about a walk-on? And I do believe I'm gonna go back row over here. My favorite seat. Back row, left side. And our chariot has arrived. Open sesame. Thank you. Another very good thing to point out is Mako's third train is back, it looks like. I'm not sure if it's been making any runs just yet. It's in the maintenance barn right now, but yeah. Mako, possibly with 3 trains soon. So yeah, just got off Mako. As always, a great ride, and she was running incredible tonight. No trim whatsoever, hauling through the entire course. Awesome stuff. Hello, Whitewater Supply, and SeaWorld Orlando said during our construction tour that this was going to be open very soon. Well, guess what? It's open now. Alright, so let's take a look inside and see what is here. And right off the bat, I am seeing tons of merchandise. Hats of pretty much every color. I mean, we're talking everything on the color spectrum there. All the way down. Then over here we have some tank tops. There's a bag. We even have candles. So candles right there. Tumblers. More hats. And I'm seeing some things in here that you wouldn't normally find inside a theme park, like this. A dolphin. But made out of wood pieces. Like driftwood. More cups, things like that over here. I'm seeing bags. SeaWorld bags. Sundresses. Ladies sundresses, things like that. SeaWorld Orlando shirt. Very nice flip-flops. They have another kind of kids t-shirt over here, SeaWorld Orlando. With the adult one right there. Board shorts. And up on the wall we can see Infinity Falls. And a portion of your purchase goes to the Everglades Foundation, of course, to make sure that the Everglades stay around. See? We have, of course, all the different things here to keep your items safe once Infinity Falls is open, because it's going to get wet. You even have a SeaWorld truck. That's kind of neat. A little shark jaws over there. Again, stuff that you wouldn't normally find in a theme park. Shark teeth necklaces. And then this catches my eye. What is this that I see? 5 times the Fury. And we now have Infinity Falls right there up at the very top. So it's now made the list. Even on the cups as well. And on the snow globes. Very nice. So yeah, some of our first pieces of Infinity Falls merchandise there. More t-shirts, tank tops, drink cups. And then, oh yeah, so we now have the t-shirts for Infinity Falls right there. You can see the raft. The drop. And then that is also part of the theming, but you can take it home, see? Sea Collective, waterproof. There's a different color t-shirt right there as well. And they have the mugs, and those look really nice. Again, with the raft going down, and the iconic drop, of course, with that tower. Turvises, different drink cups. Looks very nice in here though. But that's just some of the Infinity Falls merchandise. I'm sure we're going to see more eventually. A couple other odds and ends over here. T-shirts. And if you need drinks and snacks, they've got you covered. But yeah, so far I gotta say Whitewater Supply looks very nice. Then, of course, one of my favorite times of the night is when Electric Ocean really takes over and we have Ignite and Club Sea Glow. And that's where we're heading to right now.
I'm feeling
Well, guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando construction update video for Infinity Falls. And, of course, we went and checked out On Kraken Unleashed to see how the VR was doing. And I'm very happy to report that the Whitewater supply store is now open for Infinity Falls, and it looks great. Lots of merchandise in there. Electric Ocean, Sea Glow, Pop, all those shows are going on still. So I would highly suggest coming out. We're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.